Okay, so let's look at sizes and shapes so elementary school students K through 2 can get the concept of shapes. These are jelly beans here, and obviously you're going to get less jelly beans in here. This is a cylinder, but this is a small cylinder, where this is a larger cylinder next to it. So let's just go and write large. So of course you're going to get more jelly beans because what reason? It's wider at the top. It's wider here. And also it's wider at the wider at the top and wider at the bottom. And so you can count here, and when you look at this, it's smaller up here. Okay, so smaller, so you're going to fit less. Here's the other situation. This is a small hole here, so you might be able to get more in here, but look what's happening. It's like it's going to take you longer because this is a small opening. So, and I don't mean like an hour longer, I just mean like minutes longer. Small opening. Okay, so of course in this one you're going to have more water over here. Why? Because it's wider at the top and wider at the bottom. So it's more water here because it's wider up top and more water here. Okay, here's what's happening. You have a smaller hole, once again, so it takes longer for the water to go down, and you have a wide base at the bottom. All right, now let's look at what's going on here. When you look at this, it may look like you can fit more water here in the second jar, but actually the second is equal to the volume of the third. It's just it's got a different background. And so this may represent like water going down. It's the same. Here's the only difference here. It's equally as wide here and equally as wide here. And this is going on the same way here. So you have more of a chance to get down. This is still going to have more because it's taller. And not much more because the wider it is, it depends on also how much it is. So like this might be 12 ounces. And when you're helping your parents in the store, or you're helping pick out milk, or you want to make sure, there's some water, they put in liters. So you have 12 ounces here. And OZ is an abbreviation for ounces, or for ounce. Okay, and so here, this is more like, let's make this more like 8.5 ounces. And this one is equal to the other. So it's wider, but it's got less. But think about it. You only have to get 3.5 more ounces in here in either one of these to equal the same amount that can fit in here, and that's only because of what happens with size. So let's just say that's what's happening. So when you're looking at these cylinders, and whatever your teacher gives you bases in this, always look at what it looks like it can fit, and what can fit in and what can't. Okay, and this is just a review. Thanks so much for watching.